Hello and a hearty welcome to all my students. This is Ajit Anthony, teacher at Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. In this video, we are going to discuss chapter number 2, that is components of food. The very first topic which we are going to discuss today is deficiency diseases. Definition: diseases that are caused by the lack of some particular nutrient in a person's diet is called deficiency diseases. Now let us discuss the various type of deficiency diseases which are caused due to the lackage of one or more vitamin in our diet. The very first disease which we are going to discuss is night blindness. Night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A in our diet. The symptom of the night blindness will be loss of vision at night, means you will have no ability to see at night. Next disease which I am going to discuss, that is beriberi. Beriberi is caused due to the lackage of vitamin B in our diet. The symptom for this disease will be little energy to do work and you will have weakness in muscles. The next disease which we are going to discuss, that is scurvy. Scurvy is caused due to the lackage of vitamin C in our diet. The symptom for this disease is swelling and bleeding of gums, and you will also have swelling in the joints. The next disease that we are going to discuss, that is the rickets. Rickets is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D in our diet. The symptom for this disease will be weak bones, decaying teeth, development of pigeon chest and bow-shaped legs. The next disorder which we are going to discuss, that is vitamin E. Vitamin E, or the lackage of vitamin E, will have diseases related to the liver. The symptom will be poor eating habits and loss of weight. The next disease or the disorders related to the vitamin which we are going to discuss, that is vitamin K. Due to the lackage of vitamin K in our body, we will have inability to form blood clot, and you will also have late healing of wounds. Means due to the lackage of vitamin K in our body, you will face late healing of the wounds. Symptom: clotting of the blood will be affected. Bleeding of the gums will also be there. Vitamin K is a very important vitamin which helps our body to clot our wounds or to recover the particular injured part. Now let us discuss some disorders which are caused due to the lackage of minerals in our body. The very first disease which we are going to discuss, that is osteoporosis and rickets. These are the two diseases which will be there in our body if we will have deficiency of calcium in our body. Symptom for this disease will be brittle bones, stunted growth, weak teeth and bones. The next disease which we are going to discuss, that is rickets in children. Rickets in children will cause due to the lackage of vitamin as well as due to the lackage of mineral, that is phosphorus. The symptom will be weakening of the bones, poor development of bones, mental retardation and loss of weight. The next disease that we are going to discuss, that is anemia. Anemia is caused due to the lackage of iron in our diet. The symptom will be pale coloration of the skin, fatigue, brittle and the white nail. This disease, that is anemia, is caused due to the lackage of iron or the hemoglobin pigment which is there present in our blood. Now let us discuss two more diseases which are caused due to the mineral, that is goiter. Goiter is caused due to the sodium and potassium deficiency. The symptom will be enlargement of the thyroid gland, mental retardation and stunted growth. The next disease or the side effects which we are going to discuss is related to the magnesium. The deficiency of magnesium will lead to weakness in the muscle and our nervous system will also get affected. Symptom will be loss of appetite, sleeplessness, upset stomach, etc. Hope you all have enjoyed this session. Thank you.